My name is Zachary Hall, and I am 13 years old, and I'm in eighth grade right now. When I first noticed but every time I walked or run for a while, then my foot started hurting. My parents didn't notice, and I told my PE teacher, but they didn't know about it. I was born with flat feet. But then later, when my hip started hurt, hip started hurting. Yeah, when my hip started hurting, then my parents started to notice that I was in pain, and I was having a hard time walking and running. But then it started just getting, and it didn't get lighter. It just kept getting worse and worse and worse over time. And eventually it started traveling to my hip, and that's when my parents started noticing. But I was the first one that noticed it firsthand.
So we went to see his doctor and told him that his hips were hurting. And doctor had him walk and had him stand and looked at the way he stood and saw his feet and said, "I need to send you to a podiatrist," and said, I know exactly the right one, and sent us to Dr. Jarman, especially with Zach's diagnosis with autism. He wanted somebody who
knew me,
he could trust.
What did Dr. Jarman offer as how we can fix this?
To put a titanium nut in my foot by cutting a small hole and putting it straight in, and then stitching it back up and putting my foot in a boot. The thing is, after I had to wear the boot for about 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks happened, after I got the boot, I felt free. On that foot, I started feeling no more pain after maybe a week after the boot came off, maybe. But I couldn't walk and run yet because my foot had to adjust to it. So I had another week to miss PE exercises, but after that, I felt really good. I felt like I could just run and jump and walk easily. I feel really good. The nut usually was pushing on me, but now it's not at all, and I don't feel anything in my foot. No pain at all.